Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now I'm actually about to hit the road, but I need to refresh my hair before I go. It's been a few days, so I'm gonna show you guys how to refresh a perm rod set. Alright y'all, so I'm actually headed to a fancy dinner tonight. We will be celebrating my late grandfather's birthday today, so it's going to be a good time. All my family is going to get together tonight and eat and just cherish the family memories tonight. So I want to look cute. Let me show you guys everything I have to refresh my hair, because I just did a fro hawk or a curl hawk probably like 4 or 5 days ago, and my hair is looking like this now, so it's just like time to do something different. Now we are extremely close to wash day. Wash day is literally tomorrow, so I'm not going to be doing too much, but I do want to look cute at this event. So let me show you guys everything that I have. Now, in order to refresh my hair, I'm either going to be using the Curl Keeper Refresh with Hold Next Day Styling Spray, or I will be using the For You Curl Refresher Mist, and this is by Tia. So here are the two products. I'm not sure which one I'll use yet. I do use this one often, the Curl Keeper one, so I might use this just to try it, especially since wash day is tomorrow. Like, it will be a good day to try this out, so we might be leaning towards this. I will be also laying my edges with my favorite gel, so I have the Got To Be Ultra Glued. We're going to be using this as well. And I just have here with me a bristle brush from Curl Keeper, a parting comb, and y'all, a toothbrush so I can do my edges, because I don't know where my edge brush is at all. Alright, so I think I'm just going to split my hair down the middle, gel it on the, look y'all, look what I gotta go through. Gel it on the sides, and we're probably going to, almost forgot to show you guys, and we're probably going to do a claw clamp in the back. Here are the claw clamps that I have, and I'll have these linked below. These claw clamps are so cute and adorable, y'all. They even come with a scrunchie. I'll show you how one of them looks. They have like a matte finish to them. They're so pretty. So I will have these linked below. I got them off of Amazon, and they come in an array of colors. Look at me trying to promote my Amazon store. All right, so let me start refreshing my hair. Very first thing that I need to do, because I had a curl hawk, so all of this on the sides is literally glued. So we need to refresh that by using some of this refresh spray. The first thing I'm going to do is just try to loosen up the curls a little bit. Now keep in mind that wash day is literally tomorrow, so we are not going to be doing too much. But I do need to loosen up this gel that's on my ends, just by going like that, loosening it up. I think when I use the Curl Keeper one, it like does a little bit of a better job. If you guys ever have like gelled down hair, all you need is like water or refresh spray, and it will come right up. All right, so let me go ahead and keep doing that until all of my hair is loose. As you can see, this side already started to drop, and this side's still up there because we have to continue to apply the refresh spray. Get it loose, y'all. Revert those curls back to wet just a little bit. Let's see how much I'm spraying on there. If you guys are wondering why I'm standing up, it's because I literally have to go in like 20 minutes. I'm not even dressed yet, but makeup's done and I know what I'm wearing, so that's a plus, right? It's like half the battle right there. All right, y'all, so this is now how we're looking. I didn't touch the curls too much. I only just went on the perimeter right here with some spray just to start to get it loose. And now we are ready to figure out what we're gonna do next. All right, y'all, so I got my line down. That was a little hard because my hair is completely dry. And I guess we're just gonna gel this down and then keep it curly in the back. In order for me to do that, I am just going to go ahead and apply more of the refresh spray, actually on the curls in the front this time, because we're going to be using the bristle brush on the curls in the front, so we need them to be a little bit loose. Just in the front, we want the curls in the back to still pop. And I'm only going to do this side first, and I'm just going to go in with my Curl Keeper brush. The Curl Keeper brush is right here. This is what I like to use when I need to flatten something down, because look at that. Look at that. Yes, we're going to flatten it down. And I didn't add any product, y'all. I just loosened it up with that For You by Tia. And I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Just start to spray right in the curls in the front. That's it, because we're going to lay those flat down. Okay, we're going to do the same thing to this side. Cool beans. Just going to take the curls in the front. I'm going to clip some of this up and out the way and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, y'all, I know I'm looking a little bit crazy, but literally bear with me. All right, so we're gonna lay these flat down, but the first thing I'm gonna do is just add some more spray so we can just keep them soft. I keep like spraying it in my eye. Not the best feeling. All right, so now I can go in and just continue to work that down. I'm actually going to go in with the Curly Bell Miracle Scalp and Edge Treatment Gel. Y'all, this product right here, if you have ever tried Curly Bell, you already know. But this one, it does the work every time. This is how it looks. It's a very, very soft hold gel. You can see that's how it looks. I don't even really want to use it because I'm going to wash it out tomorrow, and I really like this gel. But we're going to put it in anyways because this lays everything down really, really nicely. So I'm just gonna put that all on the top layer and then working it down, and then I'm going to brush. I don't really care how the bottom layers are looking because yeah, we just need this hairstyle for today, and then we'll be washing it out. So that's laying down really nicely. Do you guys see the difference between not done and done? Telling y'all, you better get you one of these, friend. Go get you some Curly Bell, friend. Just gonna smooth that product on down, and we're gonna brush it again. Cool beans. All right, let me see if I can like take a piece out. I don't know. What do y'all think? Yeah, we can leave it out because it adds like another layer of definition. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is just attach these on the back end with a ponytail holder. So all you wanna do is just go like that. Smooth it on down, friends. Smooth it on down. Put everything behind my ear. Whew, okay, I gotta figure out what we're gonna do with the front now. I'm gonna go grab two flexi rods real quick, and I'm gonna flexi rod the front. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. I have my hair. It's a work in progress. It is a work in progress. I'm gonna put a little bit more gel right here along my ends. Now remember, this is a soft hold gel. It does not crunch up or flake up or anything. It holds it in place, but it's very easy to like maneuver it throughout the day if you want to. But if you don't mess with it, it will stay in place. But if you do mess with it, then you can like, I don't know, if you want to like lay your edges down or whatever, it's not stuck, you know? All right, so now let me put these flexi rods on the front. Whew, all right, y'all, so yep, that's what we're looking like right now. So let's add this claw clamp into the back, and what I'm actually going to do is just use a little bit more spray and just refresh the back of the curls. Since this is kind of what we're looking like right now, we're just gonna add some spray. All right, so let's go ahead and put this into a, oh, this looks cute. Okay, let's hurry up and put this into a, what am I doing? A claw clamp, y'all. All right, so here's the claw clamp. I'm just gonna pop it in the back of my head, and we're gonna look in the mirror to make sure it looks right. Let me add what I'm gonna do is add a ponytail to it. Yeah, the ponytail will help. So we're just gonna put a ponytail down here, and the ponytail will help keep everything a little bit more in place. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the clamp again, see if that looks a little bit better, a little bit more organized. Yes, that looks a lot better, y'all. Look at this, look at me, okay? I think it looks good. I think it's just enough curls, just a little pop. I am going to add a little bit of the gel that I like to put on my edges right here, and we're just gonna lay that down right here, and then I can try to do a little something something. Y'all, all right, so I am back. I put some jewelry in my hair as well, if you guys can see back there, and I'm just gonna quickly go ahead. Oh, I got changed, y'all. Your girl got changed. We're ready for dinner, but right after I take out these flexi rods, friend. So all I'm gonna do is just go like this in the opposite direction, and hopefully we got ourselves a little bit of a curl. There we go. Y'all saw how it was looking before. Just a little bit of flexi rod, fix it, okay? All right, so all I'm doing is just unraveling in the opposite direction very gently. There we go. And we have our two little curly pieces in the front. And the rest of the hairstyle in the back. Okay, we laid our edges a little bit. And there you go, y'all. That is how you fix a hairstyle that was looking crazy in the beginning, but now we have something that looks relatively normal. So that's how you refresh an old perm rod set. As you can see, I still have my curls hanging out at the top here, and we did refresh a little bit with the flexi rods as well. But y'all, these are the final results of how I refresh my hair or refresh an old perm rod set, and I hope you really enjoyed. Make sure if you are looking to refresh your hairstyles, or if you're just looking to learn how to actually do hairstyles with rods and roller sets, then give me a follow, because that's something that I specialize in. But y'all, without further ado, I am going to let you guys go, because that is the end of the video. Feeling cute, looking cute, yes, yes. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna let you guys go now, but I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching how I refresh an old perm rod set, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I hope you really enjoyed this. All right, y'all, my name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.